Hey guys, the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus coming next month at MWC 2018, and here are a lot of leaks, a lot of rumors about the Galaxy S9. And today a new image was leaked of the retail box of the Galaxy S9, which will look like the Galaxy Note 8. And here are full description of the bag. So what it has 5.8-inch full rectangular display with rounded corners and Quad HD plus Super AMOLED. It has super speed dual pixel 12 megapixel camera with OIS and f1.5 and f2.4 aperture, super slow-mo videos. This means now you can shoot videos at almost 1000 frames per second. 8 megapixel autofocus selfie camera with stereo speakers tuned by AKG. IP68, an iris scanner which has been improved in it, and it has 64 GB of memory with 4 GB of RAM and wireless charging support. And it has more slimmer bezels than their predecessor, as you can see on the screen. And according to Ice Universe, the Galaxy S9 Plus will have f1.4 aperture camera. This means it is more capable, more better than the Galaxy S9, as you can see on the screen. And a Twitter leakster, Matt Simer, posted a new video of Galaxy S9 hands-on, which is too dark, so we not understand it, how it will look like. So if you guys enjoyed this video, then thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below, would you buy the Galaxy S9 or S9 Plus or wait for the Galaxy Note 9? I'm eagerly waiting for your comments down below, and I will catch you guys in the next one. See you soon.